everyone, Install Easy here. Today we're going to show you how to quickly install Opera web browser on your Windows operating system. Open Microsoft Edge, double click, type Opera browser. I already found it for us, so click on it, Opera browser download. Do not click on anyone that says add. Keep scrolling, keep scrolling, keep scrolling. This is the official one. Use this one. Accept cookies and click download Opera. We could run the setup from here. However, close this out. Click on File Explorer. Click on Downloads. Double click on Opera Setup. And click Accept and Install. It's installing Opera for us. Extracting. And here we are. As you can see, it created a desktop icon for us. And if you wanted to pin to your taskbar, let's unpin this. You right click and click pin to taskbar. And if you wanted to make it as your default, if it didn't ask, go to your Windows, type default apps, click on it, and type Opera. Click on it and click set default. And that's all you do. Leave a comment on installs you would like to see on this channel. From the team here at Install Easy, see you next time.